Christmas was time to wear that two-step dress, get adorned in colorful plastic glasses and wristwatches, go see aunties and uncles around Lagos, and get treats. Christmas was an exhilarating time when we got to spend it in my village, and more so in the even-numbered years, for masquerades would wait in corners to tease and chase us home, time and time again. Christmas was walking through the cool, shaded streets of Eke, going from house to greet elders and getting invited to eat scrumptious delicacies, and of course, tasting palm wine now and again. Christmas was Christmas songs, oh my. 247 back-to-back Bonnie M Christmas songs, from Feliz Navidad to White Christmas. Stuff I'd never experienced, but I belted out happily. Christmas was a time of kids amassing wealth, oh yes. A time when the adults in your life pressed notes into your hands at every turn. And when they didn't, we would confidently say, Bara in Christmas, which means do Christmas for us. And if any of that happened when a parent was present, they would acquire it and promise to, in quote, keep it for you. Christmas was filled with tinsel and lights, loud bangers and fireworks, filled with laughter, love, and family. Though filled with the dread of school resumption shortly after, Christmas was definitely the best holiday ever.